What drives medical research with life-changing impact? It begins with scientists who seek to understand various diseases at their most fundamental level. At Nanyang Technological University, Singapore, professorships play a vital role in attracting and retaining leading researchers and enabling work that improves lives. The Chui Distinguished Professorship supports work across medical discovery and prevention. One of its holders is Professor Kristijan Ramadan, Professor of Cancer and Stem Cell Biology at the Lee Kong Chian School of Medicine at NTU.
My research focuses on how genetic information is copied and protected in cells and what happens when this process goes wrong.
Think of it like this. Every day we save, share, and copy important files. If those files are copied incorrectly or become corrupted without any correction, problems start to build up. In a similar way, every cell in our body carries a set of instructions that guides how it functions. Keeping those instructions accurate and stable is essential.
When DNA damage is persistent and not properly repaired, cells begin to behave abnormally, which can contribute to diseases like cancer. We do a lot of fundamental research. We are trying to understand the basic cellular processes first, because without that understanding, it is difficult to make meaningful progress for cancer research. And by studying these mechanisms in detail, we can better understand why certain cancers behave and respond differently to cancer therapies.
The Chui Distinguished Professorship provides sustained support for this type of research.
I'm deeply grateful for the support of the professorship, which made my move from Oxford to Singapore possible. And more importantly, it enabled the launch of the Cancer Discovery and Regenerative Medicine program at LKC Medicine. The professorship also allows us to attract and train talented students and early career researchers and to mentor them in a way to build capacity for the future. It supports research and mentorship, which in turn contributes to the healthcare landscape of Singapore. To do this kind of work, we need sustained commitment and support. That's what allows us to focus on what happens behind the breakthrough.
Empowering eminent faculty, advancing research, and shaping the future with professorships.